you said that to the 10,000 hours rule, that there is the, let's call it the fallacy to it. What is that?
Fallacy.
By the way, I don't want to take credit for things which I have not created. Remember what I said in the beginning, nothing is new under the sun. Who can tell me where that quote is from? I know, you have to be a real movie geek. There's truth in fiction and fiction in that truth. Which movie is that?
As we are a team and you are the movie geek.
Who has watched The Matrix?
You are the group.
The Matrix, the first one, 1999. Morpheus told Neo, right? There is some truth to the fiction and some fiction to the truth. So that's why you may by your line. But anyway, the fiction in that truth is you could be perfecting a mistake. You know, perfect Makosa. So you could be putting 10,000 hours into the wrong thing. And that's why, I'll get to this later, you need mentorship. And mentorship, you guys already have it by default by being students of a DMI. There are some things which have already been sieved for you. You will not make that mistake. By virtue of the curriculum you're following, by virtue of the qualified lecturers who come and teach you. Kuna vitu wamesha kutolea, kuna makosa washafanya wao wenyewe, that you will not have to repeat those mistakes in order to learn. And that's why in the next 2 years, most of you will be standing here telling the new students the same things, or better things about how they can be better filmmakers, better TV producers, better actors, and all that stuff.